Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your boy Participate Graphics. I'm here again with another episode. Today we are going to learn how to download and install Blush in Photoshop CS6 or any version you want. So this is my Blush 20 Rain Blush PS. So I'll double click it to open it. Then this is the brush. I'll click here, I'll click on this brush, and I'll go to extract to, then I'll choose desktop, where the file where you want to locate it. So I'll choose desktop, then I'll hit an OK. So for now it has already extracted, so I'll close it. So this is it, this is the file, this is the file. So I'll close it, then I'll go to Photoshop. I'll go to my Photoshop. Then B for brush, so I'll just click on this brush, then I'll click here, then I'll go to settings. You see this place, then I'll click here, and I'll go to load brush. You see this is the brush, so I just click on the load. When I'm done, I'll go to the latter part, the last button. You see this is the rain brush. So you can reduce a little bit, then you can increase it a little bit, or you can reduce it how you want it. So this is the rain. You can reduce a little bit. Hello guys, thank you for watching. In case of any comment, you can leave it in the comment box so that you get and reply you fast. Thank you for watching. Bye.